long time no see. How are you?
Hello Reza, nice to see you again. I'm fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. And what's your activity now?
No, I'm working in Garuda Indonesia.
Oh, you are a pilot?
Yes, I am.
So you have much money?
Alhamdulillah. Why are you asking me about money?
No, I just want to know. If you have much money, what are you doing?
If I have much money, I will go to New Caledonia because it's my dream since I was child.
Oh, I hope your dreams come true.
Amin. Have you ever taken flight?
No, I never. But if I could fly, I would to take stuff for my mom.
Why it isn't for your girlfriend?
Because my mom is everything.
Oh, yeah. What's your occupation now?
I'm just a labor.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Okay, no problem. Maybe if I had studied hard, I would have been better like now.
Would you like to join working with me?
It's impossible.
If you working harder, you will get job in Garuda Indonesia.
Okay, I will set your sentence in my brain.
It's money. Oh yeah. It's money for you to continue your study.
Thank you very much, my best friend. I will use this money for that.
Okay, I waiting you in my office.
Okay, Hood. See you again in your office.
Okay, see you again, my best friend.